Hi guys, thank you for watching, and in this video we are gonna cover how to create reference coordinate system. So whenever you are gonna open SolidWorks, no matter whatever the interface you are gonna open, so it has always by default coordinate system. So it you can see here at the origin, or you can see it here like X is going in this direction, Y is going onto the top, and Z is going out of the page. So we already have one by default coordinate system, but what if you want to have more multiple coordinate systems? Suppose some reference coordinate system, if you want to add your own, so what you can do is you can just go into the features, and then here into the ribbon section you can see there is an option for reference geometry, and there is a little tiny triangle here. You need to click on that, and then what you can do is you can just create your own coordinate system. And then what you need to do is you just need to select where you want to add your coordinate system. Suppose I want to add at this point my coordinate system, and then right now as you can see, X is in this direction, green is the Y which is going into the topward, and Z is coming out of the page. So right now if you want to change the X direction, suppose I want to have X this, so you can just select X from here, and then you can move X in this direction, and now Z is going in this direction and Y is going into the top direction. And if you want to change the Z, let's say I want to have Z in this direction, so in this way I can change my Z as well, or whatever the direction. Suppose I want to have y-axis into this direction, suppose, so I can change whatever the direction I want to have for X, Y or Z, and then let's click the green check mark. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you. So this is my reference coordinate system which I just created. So what I can do is like if here I already had a point, so that's why I already created coordinate system. So what if you don't have any point? So let's delete this coordinate system. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back into the features, and then I'm gonna go into the sketch, and then I can just made a point anywhere. Suppose I want to create a point here somewhere on this surface. I already created a point, and then again I can go into the features, reference geometry. I can go into the reference, let's go out, then let's go into the reference geometry, exit sketch, reference geometry, coordinate system, where on this point. So in this way I can add my coordinate system on this point, and then again I can change my X, Y and Z, and then I can click the green check mark. So right now I have created my coordinate system here. So if you want to use this coordinate system, what you can do is, let's say I want to have some linear patterns, so let's say a circular pattern, and in which in the circular pattern we need axis of rotation. Suppose I want to select, this is my axis of rotation, so this is my axis of rotation Y, and then I can select bodies from here, and I can select this body. So in this way I can use this axis of rotation, and then I can made a circular pattern. So look at that. So this is really powerful. And another thing which I want to mention here, so if you want to go into the evaluate, which I already mentioned in some of my previous videos, and you want to see the mass properties, so you would have your mass properties, but these mass properties are using by default coordinate system. But if you already have your coordinate system, you already added a new reference coordinate system, so you would have that option here. So what you can do is you can just use that coordinate system as well, and then you can see all your mass properties by using that coordinate system as well. So this is how we can have our reference coordinate system as much as you want. So it needs a point, it needs a corner, or if you don't have, you can add your point anywhere, and wherever you want to add your coordinate system you can add it. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you.